Guys, if you have NVIDIA graphics card and you don't have the NVIDIA control panel in your computer, I'll tell you how you can download and install NVIDIA control panel on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. If you do not know whether your control panel is installed or not, just click on the search icon and type NVIDIA. And here you will find your NVIDIA drivers as well as the control panel. If you do not see that, that means we need to install it. So for that, I would recommend to open your Microsoft Store. In the search icon, you can simply search Microsoft Store, and the best match will be Microsoft Store, and you just need to click on open. And once you do that, a window will appear like this. Now here you just need to type NVIDIA, and the very first result will come NVIDIA control panel. And from here, you just need to click on Get, and it will be installed. Let me know if you have successfully installed. If you're unable to download and install, then I would recommend to visit the link in the description where you will find the NVIDIA website to download. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.